event in the life of our birthday celebrator, and your presence is so much appreciated. Ayan, maraming salamat po for your presence for tonight's occasion. And of course, my name is Mike Angelo Gagi of RK Events and Styling, and I will be your host for tonight. And as a jump start, let us now welcome the family members of our birthday celebrator. Bigyan po natin ng isang malakas na palakpakan, of course, ang mga anak po ng ating birthday celebrator. Let us give a resounding applause to Iva. Kami sinabi na samang hiyawan, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, we also do welcome for tonight the proud and beautiful wife of our birthday celebrator. Bigyan po natin ng isang malakas. Wala po kayo po natin po the family of our birthday celebrator. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, so habang nagre-prepare po ang ating mga stylists kanina, so they put 10 colored papers sa ilalim po ng ating mga upuan at mesa. May inilagay pong 10 iba't ibang kulay na
I feel good. I don't know about you, but I feel good. I don't know about you, but I feel good.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, once again, we are requesting everyone to please rise. The palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. There you go. And of course, later on, while our birthday celebrator is having his grand entrance, I hope mas malakas pa po doon ang aking maririnig. And with that, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the main reason kung bakit po tayo lahat nandito for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a resounding applause to our birthday celebrator, the king of this hour. A resounding applause to Mr. Alan Toledano. There you go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, mas malakas na palakpakan for our birthday celebrator. And of course, pwede po ba akong mag-request? Can we greet our birthday celebrator a happy birthday? Ang sasabihin po natin is, happy 50th birthday, Alan. Sabay-sabay po tayo, yung malakas. And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Alan!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, isang malakas na palakpakan po for our birthday celebrator. Thank you so much for your cooperation. You may now take your seats. And of course, to the family